Once again, you're welcome to Life Skills Computer Training and Consulting Limited. This is the second topic in our video series on developing a CBT platform. Now we are looking at using Moodle as a CBT platform. Why and how? What is Moodle? Moodle means Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. It's an open source software that can be downloaded by anyone, customized. The program can be, the code can be modified, can be adjusted to suit somebody's purpose. Now we're going to use this software to develop our CBT platform. It is a dynamic learning environment. Originally, Moodle is used as a learning portal. But in this video, this training, I'm going to show you how you can transform Moodle and turn it into a CBT platform. It's also referred to as course management system. It's a learning management system, LMS. We also call it a VLE, which is virtual learning environment or a managed learning environment. Now, what is this Moodle? There are many proprietary commercial softwares online. Now, for example, Blackboard is a good example. And Claro9 is another example. These softwares, when you purchase them, you have no control over them. You have to work with whatever has been designed. But Moodle is different. It's an alternative. It is open source. It can be downloaded by anybody, but by anyone who knows how to use it, either as a learning portal or as a CBT platform. It is free and it is distributed under open source licensing. When you download it and modify it, there is no crime. There is a community of users that already know that. An organization has a complete access to the source code and can make changes if needed. Now, in Moodle, it's very easy to create courses. Don't forget that it is a learning management system for teaching and for creating courses online. And you can begin to add content that will engage your learners in Moodle. Now, Moodle can be configured and customized as a CBT platform. That is the essence of this training. Why do we need to use Moodle? It is an open source software. You don't need to begin programming or writing code from scratch. You have to start from something that is open source, then begin to modify it and turn it into a usable software. Then it can be completely customized and owned by individuals, as I said. You can download Moodle. If you have the expertise or the skill to customize it, then you begin to work on it. And that is the expertise I'm imparting to you in this training. Using Moodle as a CBT platform does not require programming skill. Though we have Moodle developers, if you want to go deeper, you need a little knowledge of a PHP, MySQL, and CSS. But on the surface, in order to make use of it quickly, you don't need programming skill. And it can be easily configured in a networked environment. Most of the CBT, they are used in a network environment. That is, you have about between 2 to 50 systems networked together. The students come in and you administer the test at the same time. So Moodle works with a server. It can work with network environment. It has features that are more excellent than other CBT platforms. That's why I love this Moodle. This open source software is very good. The more you know it, the better it becomes. And the more excellently it can perform once you know how to master it. There are millions of plugins and extensions that can be used with Moodle to increase performance. I'm going to show you so many extensions that you can download and use along with Moodle to make it a very robust CBT platform. Also, Moodle has a community of users and developers who are ready to support you at any time. If you go to moodle.org, you create an account, you log in, you post your questions, they respond to you immediately. Then the question now is, how is Moodle used as CBT platform? How is it used? Very few people know this. This is a work of many years research, and that's what I'm sharing with you in this training. Now, is a question this training is seeking to answer. How are you going to use Moodle as a CBT platform? There is a module in that software, we call it quiz module. There are many modules in Moodle, but I'm going to enhance the quiz module and show you how you can use it to transform Moodle into a CBT platform. In this training, we'll be exploring the use of quiz module in turning Moodle to CBT platform. In the next videos, we are going to install Moodle. I will show you how to install it and how to do the configuration. Thank you.